Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you, how to use Zayra Apparel online clothing store. So you might be wondering, what is Zayra's Apparel here and how does it actually work? Well, first let's go and discuss what is Zayra Apparel. So Zayra Apparel here is an online clothing store focused mainly on men's shirts, with collections including linen shirts, cargo shirts, solid shirts, casual printed shirts, and new arrivals here. So you can see or view those different categories in the top section of their website. So in this case, the website says its shirts here are crafted in Surat, India, and the catalog includes sizes 5 through double XL. Now, the store currently lists many shirts at around 299 rupees, with the original prices commonly shown at around 999 or higher. So the website also provides or also advertises free shipping across India, cash on delivery, and a 25% off prepaid orders using certain codes in their website. So in this case, you are getting less. So if you visit one of their products, as you can see, you are getting less if you do buy from them. So from the original 999 rupees. Now, how do you exactly use their website? Now, the website works here like any kind of apparel website out there, which is a good thing here. So everything is quite familiar. So in here, you just need to shop and browse the available selections or collections here, or use the search function, typically at the top right here. So if you have something in mind that you want to buy, or you have something specific to buy here. Now from here, you want to select your sizes, so either small, medium, large, XL, or double XL. Now, and from then on, you just need to click on the quantity and click on the add to cart, or you could go and just click on the buy it now if you want to buy this immediately. Now, once you click on the add to cart button here, the shopping cart should appear, and you could also access that at the top right of your screen as well. And you go and just click on the checkout button at the bottom right of your screen. Now here at checkout here, you can choose online payment through UPI, cards, or wallet, or cash on delivery, which the website lists with a 49 rupee handling fee. And also, you may need to provide certain details about yourself, like your mobile number here, and also a coupon code for you to proceed with your checkout. Now, in this case, the website also states or does state, so this is actually included in actually at the very bottom of their website. So if you visit their refund policy here, so the website also states that orders delivered across India and offers a 7-day exchange policy. So just in case you have a defective or damaged item here, you could ask for an exchange instead. And also, they do provide like WhatsApp support that is available for customer service. So if you want to learn about that, it's also at the very bottom of their website. So yeah, in simpler terms here, Zayra Apparel here is an online men's clothing where you can browse different shirt collections, select your size, order online or through cash on delivery, and have the order delivered across India. So yeah, so since this is a shop that is basically a shop here and requires you buying something from them in order for it to work, doing your own research by checking the product details, sizing information, exchange terms, shipping conditions on the official website and outside the website, and also checking reviews maybe outside their website as well is recommended. So this applies for anything that you're buying from or shops like you're using in the future or right now. So doing your own research is highly recommended. But that's about it. So if I found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.